So today we will study about the respiratory system of pigeon. The respiratory systems divided into three parts: respiratory tract, respiratory organs and air sac. So we will see one by one. First, on the base of the upper beak there is a nostril present, and this nostril inside attached to the glottis. So here we can see in this diagram. So this is the diagram of pigeon. You can see the beak, there is a nostril present and it is attached with the glottis. Okay, so this is the nostril. On the beak there is a nostril present and nostril inside attached to the glottis. So what is meant by glottis? The glottis, it is present at the base of the tongue of the pigeon. Okay, so what is the function of this glottis? At the time of digestion, this opening, at the time of digestion it closes the respiratory tract, while at the time of respiration it closes the digestive tract. So these two function it perform. At the time of respiration it closes the digestive tract, or at the time of digestion it closes the respiratory tract. Okay, now we will see about the trachea. So trachea is a long cylindrical flexible pipe which arises from the basis of the pharynx and runs back through the neck ventral to the esophagus and then expands into syrinx. So in this diagram we will see about the trachea. So here in this diagram, this is the glottis, and glottis attached to the extend, glottis for the extend, and it is called as the trachea. Here you can see this is the trachea. The trachea is a long cylindrical flexible pipe which arises from the base of pharynx and run back through the ventral to esophagus and expands into syrinx. Then it bifurcates into two bronchi. Each bronchi then enter into each lung. So in this diagram you can see it. Then it bifurcates into the two bronchi. Here you can see each bronchus then enters into each lungs. Next, so this is the diagram of trachea. This is the tube which is pipe like structure is called as trachea, and it bifurcates into two branches, then it is called as the bronchi, and at the base the syrinx is present. The trachea and bronchial tubes are supported by a series of closely set rings. You can see in this diagram there is so many rings are present. On trachea, ring present which are complete. जो trachea पे ring होगी वो क्या होगी? Complete होगी. But when trachea divided, then only first ring is completed while others are incompleted. But when trachea get divided into two branches which is called as bronchi, the first ring will be completed and another is incomplete. Okay, so what is this syrinx? The syrinx is a sound production or it is concerned with sound production or called as the phonation organ, and it is the characteristics of birds and does not occur in other vertebrate. It produce the sound like in pigeon it produce gutturgu, and another bird it produce another type of sound. Or so here our respiratory tract is completed. Okay, the next is the respiratory organ. There are two bright red small and non-elastic bodies called as lung. So in this diagram you can see, so these are the red and non-elastic body, these two are the lungs. Small They are solid spongy structure and different than other vertebrate. They do not store air. The lungs are attached dorsally to the thoracic vertebrate and the ribs. The ventral surface is free and covered by a thick sheet of fibrous tissue. This is all about the lung. The bronchus, as it enters lung from the antroventral side and is termed as mesobronchus or primary bronchus, and is further divided into secondary bronchus, tertiary bronchus, from parabronchus, and in parabronchus there is so many air capillaries present. Here respiratory organs are completed. So in another diagram you can see. So as trachea, here the bronchus are enter, so it is converted into mesobronchus. जो लंग्स में जब आ जाती है ये ब्रोंकिया, देन इट इज़ कन्वर्टेड इनटू कॉल्ड एज मेसोब्रॉन्कस और द प्राइमरी ब्रोंकस. देन इट इज़ कन्वर्टेड इनटू सेकेंडरी ब्रोंकस. फर्दर इट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू टर्शरी ब्रोंकस मीन्स पैराब्रोंकस. एंड पैराब्रोंकस में बहुत सारी इट